how to add or update the path environment variable for Android Studio, Android SDK, or the ADB command. So here you can see on my Windows command prompt, I can use ADB. Now, in order to use this, you need to either install a standalone, or if you have already installed Android, you need to set up the path. So once you have opened up your Android Studio, click on the menu button and then in File, go down and click on Settings. Now in here, if you just click on the search button and then type in SDK, this is the easiest way to find out if you have Android SDK installed on your device. Now in here, you can see Android SDK location is this right here. You can either copy that or try to memorize it. So here we can copy it to the clipboard. So copy it and then click on OK. Alright, next what you want to do is on your computer or on the keyboard, press on the Windows button and the X button. This will open up a menu. So here we'll open up this menu. Or you can right click on the Windows icon, then click on System. So in here we've got System Open. Then click on Advanced System Settings. Now in here you want to click on the Advanced tab and then click on Environment Variables and then click on Path, then click on Edit. Next, what you can do is you can copy this right here. So copy where it's go up to local like that. So you can Control C on the keyboard, and then here we can Control V. And once you have that, you can copy here Android SDK platform tools, or you can simply use the path that you got from the Android Studio. So in here, so we can copy the whole path from here. So there are several ways how you can do it. So SDK, and then you can copy this whole path. And then you can just simply copy this whole path in like that. Or you can simply do this. So use the profile, so whatever the profile that you log in, then it will automatically knows, and then we can just copy that. Just simply Android SDK, and then platform tools. So just do that. So I'm just going to delete here because they are duplicate. So we've got platform tools, and then click on OK, then click on OK. Then click on OK to save the changes. After, if you open up your command prompt, you should be able to use ADB now, once you have set up the path correctly. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.